Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On my left, we have the Holy Stone mini drone, and on my right, the ATTOP drone. Buckle up because we're about to take flight into an epic showdown. Let's start with the fun features. The Holy Stone can toss to launch, do circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's basically a flying circus. Reviewers say it offers impressive performance for its size and price, making it super fun for both kids and adults. Now, the ATTOP drone has some serious tech wizardry. Draw a route on the app, and it flies like a trained falcon. Speak to control it, and it listens better than my dog. Plus, it does 360 degrees flips, and with VR compatibility, you can feel like you're in a sci-fi movie. Reviewers appreciate its advanced features and find it durable despite a few crashes. Moving on to user-friendliness, the Holy Stone has altitude, hold, and headless mode. Translation: it hovers like a pro and doesn't get confused about directions. Perfect for beginners, kids, and anyone who struggles to walk and chew gum at the same time. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and find it a good choice for beginners. The ATTOP drone, on the other hand, comes with one key return, altitude hold, and headless mode too. Plus, it has an emergency stop. So if you're about to crash into grandma's prized rosebush, one button and you're safe. Reviewers mention that, despite some initial malfunctions, the drone is easy to fly and the customer service is responsive. Holy Stone gives you 3 batteries for a total of 21 minutes of flight time. It's like the drone that just keeps going. Unlike my phone battery, which dies after a TikTok binge. Reviewers appreciate the good flight duration and the inclusion of extra batteries. The ATTOP drone also comes with 3 batteries, but it boasts a 30-minute flight time. That's more airtime than some TV shows. Plus, it also has a low battery warning. Reviewers find the battery life short, but commend the drone's overall performance and durability. The Holy Stone mini drone is mini and portable. You can take it to parties, school, fishing trips, or even your next hiking adventure. And with propeller guards, it's safe for kids and clumsy adults alike. Reviewers find it lightweight and easy to carry around. The ATTOP drone is foldable and comes with a carrying case. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Perfect for teenage boys, girls, and anyone who wants to look cool while carrying a drone. Reviewers appreciate the convenient storage case and the drone's engineering. Overall, reviewers find the Holy Stone mini drone to be a fun, budget-friendly option that's easy to use and durable, despite some minor issues. The ATTOP drone, while more expensive, is praised for its advanced features and durability, although it has faced some initial malfunctions. Customer service for both products has been noted as responsive. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone mini drone is your budget-friendly, fun-packed companion, while the ATTOP drone is the high-tech, feature-loaded beast. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buys. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.